Look, let me tell you something, right? So in this world where there is unveiling mistress of the market oversight, I want us to dive deeper into this fascinating world of the market and its oversight as well, because ever ever wondered, or have you ever thought about who keeps an eye on the global markets to prevent this chaos? Like if there is any chaos in the market, well, you find that it turns out that there is a structured system in place, right? I want us to break that down, because imagine in this world where the markets is a giant puzzle. We've got the Asia session, and those two individuals oversee the each and every exchange, because now, like Sydney exchange, they need to check the Osaka exchange in Japan, and many more. So now it means their mission is to prevent any foreign entity from crashing the whole system. You see, so now you need to zoom into the Europe with the stock exchange and the London stock exchange. If you check over the America, there's what we call the or we call the CME group, actually not the SME, but the CME group, right? And this is like the new stock exchange or the any new stock exchange at that time. So they oversee, like they are guardians, ensuring that there is a stability in the financial realm. Because now, if you remember, the London Stock Exchange halting during the nuclear markets during that was in 2020. That is the safety measure triggered by these guardians when they spot unusual activity to protect investors like you and me. You get what I'm saying? Because now, if you check the Bank of England, they plays a very crucial role as well in this matter. Because in the report of overnight interest rate, which is called SONIA, they stress the importance of competent, honest, and the overseas maybe who moves the market based on the monetary policy. Any deviation could shake their confidence in the market as well. So now let's talk about algorithms, because now a lot of people say, yes, we need to find the algorithm in trading. Remember this algorithm that we're talking about, they are like a secret source of trading, right? But now who controls them? Who controls this algorithm? Have you ever asked yourself? It's not just about chasing the algorithm. It's also about understanding that there are people behind them, because these individuals as well, they've got one job. Their job is to ensure that there's a market stability and also to prevent chaos in the market. So think of it this way, right? There's a group, maybe let's call them the commercials, who seem to have maybe a good grasp of these market players, and they consistently win in trading. No matter what, they win in trading. And it's not just about luck or something. It's because they understand the game, As we've discussed, it's not just about algorithms. It's also about, people having a plan, people with plan. So for those of us, maybe retail traders or people from the middle class, here's a key takeaway that you need to understand. Markets have their guardians. It's not just about fancy algorithms. It's about understanding people who ensure the stability and having a solid grasp of the basics as well. Because if you remember as well, or you need to remember this, actually everyone needs to remember this. There is also a final boss in trading. And it's not the market themselves. It's you. Mastering your own flaws, practicing good risk management, and also understanding that, trading psychology as well plays a major role into your keys of success.